Welcome, here I've got CAT S61 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to advanced camera settings, and here we have the grid line option, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to turn it off and turn it on, so let me turn them on. And as you can see in the preview, this is how they look like. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. And also remember that the grid lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left corner at the bottom to the button that follows us straight to the gallery and pick the picture, we can't see them. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them, we have to tap to the right corner button once again to the grid line here and turn them off. So now they have gone in the preview. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.